Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best waterproof Moto camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best waterproof Moto camera to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Motorcycle GPS Navigation. Specifications. Brand name, Tomo Strong. Max external memory, 128 GB. Screen size, 7-inch. Waterproof level, IPX7. Material, ABS PC. Resolution, 1024x600. TPMS support. Rear BSD, support 2K only. Weights, approximate 472 grams. Origin, China. Number 4 is Motorcycle DVR. Specifications. Brand name, Sohm. Pixels, 1200 mega. Sensor size, 1 to 3 inches. Sensor type, CMOS. Memory card type, microSD TF. Imaging sensor, Sony CCD. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. View angle, 150 degrees. Max external memory, 256 GB. Image stabilization, electronic image stabilization. Interface, Wi-Fi. As the item number 3 we've selected, Vantrue F1. Specifications. Brand name, Vantrue. Model number, F1. Pixels, 500 mega. Special features, G-sensor, built-in GPS. Battery, built-in. View angle, 160 degrees. Max external memory, 128 GB. Interface, USB 2.0. Number 2 is VSYS Carplay. Specifications. Brand name, SIS. Pixels, 200 mega. Sensor type, CMOS. Screen size, 5.0 inch. Touchscreen, yes. Memory card type, microSD TF. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Frames per second, 25. View angle, 150 degrees. Max external memory, 256 GB. Interface, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, microSD TF. Origin, China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Jansite Portable 6.25-inch Motorcycle GPS Navigation. Specifications. Brand name, Jansite. Max external memory, 128 GB. Screen size, 6.25 inch. Waterproof level, IPX7. Resolution, 1280x600p. Operating system, Linux OS. Bluetooth, 2 channels. CarPlay, support wireless CarPlay. Origin, China.